English language conventions. Past perfect tense, past participle. 8th grade skill level, question 3. Me medicine, antidote your ignorance. ACT English Foundation, verb tense, question 3. Complete the sentence with the past perfect form of the verb. For years, people blanked their food into their garbage cans, but the city recently introduced separate bins for organic matter to be sent to a citywide compost center. The task here is to shift the tense of throw to its past perfect verb form. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The past perfect tense tells about something that had happened before something else. It uses the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is had. Check out this example. We had finished dinner by the time Tim arrived. Again, we've used the past tense form of to have, which is had, across the board, regardless of whether or not our subject is plural or singular. And we've paired it with the past participle of the main verb, whose original form is finished. So finished is regular. It doesn't have a different past participle. Its past participle and its past tense form are the same. So had finished is the correct past perfect tense verb form. All right, back to the original question. Now for the solution. Again, the past perfect tense describes a completed action that had happened before something else. To form the past perfect tense, use the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is going to be had, with the past participle of the main verb. According to this rule, had thrown is the past perfect tense of the verb throw. Notice that thrown differs from the simple past tense, which is threw with an E, no N at the end. Obviously, throw is an irregular verb. So this verb conjugation, had thrown, is appropriate in this instance because for a long time in the past, people threw their food waste in normal trash bins that contain other assorted forms of waste. However, in the more recent past, organic matter bins designated for food and other biodegradable material was circulated throughout the community. The verb had thrown is appropriate here.